Future Video vStation also provides a way to export your projects. So again, we would hit the project button, but since we're recording, we have to use a screen save. So here is an example. We've selected the export project of the project name that we want, and then a window will come up showing us the choices here. So I'm going to give this a little bit more size so we can see it. There are three formats that we currently support. FVXML, which is the inter vStation format. We can export from one vStation and then import on another. We'll show you the import screen next. And in this case, you would select the FVXML. And that you can decide if you want everything to go, or just the clips, or just the output reels. So depending on what you select, will dictate how much of the project is exported. In addition, we support Final Cut Pro 7 XML and Final Cut Pro 10 XML for export to Final Cut. Final Cut 7 is a fairly universal XML, and it could be used to import into Adobe Premiere or other NLE systems that read the Final Cut Pro 7 XML. So it does give you quite a bit of flexibility to do that. And then also the latest version of Final Cut Pro 10, this allows you to do that. So whenever we decide what output format, we will browse to where we want to send that to. It could be a external USB drive or a network. And then we hit export, and it will export everything out to that. When we're doing Final Cut XML, we will convert the file to MP4 and re-encode the audio into AAC so it's compatible with the Apple Final Cut. Now, as far as importing, we would again go to the project screen. This time, when we import, we actually will select a project from an exported project. So we can import from some other system that we've just exported. And this is only for Future Video import. We only import projects from the Future Video ecosystem. So you would browse, find the project name on the external or LAN network, and then import it into here. It will create a whole new project, copy all the files as if you had created the system, the project on this system.